Hey friends, welcome. I'm going to show you the coolest thing since sliced bread. I joined a travel membership and I want to show it to you guys because I think it's just the coolest thing. We are headed to New York. We're headed to see a concert, and so we booked our flights through here, but I'm going to show you how we're going to book our hotel. So super easy. This is the app. Travel Advantage is the partner, and it looks like any other search engine. Realistically, we've got a couple things up here like loyalty points and travel credits. I'll explain that as I go. You have wish lists, all the fun things here. So right now we're just going to do a hotel. We are heading to Manhattan, so I'm going to put in Manhattan here, and we're going to go check out some hotels. We leave on Tuesday of next week. And we are staying until Saturday. All right, let's search and see what we've got. This is going to take a little bit of time just to get our hotels up here. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you on the side here where it says sort by. Obviously, there's a ton of filters on here. So you can do the biggest percentage of savings, the biggest dollar amount. You can go price low to high, all that kind of fun stuff. So lots of things in the filters. I'll be able to show you more as we get on here. So here we go. Now we want to stay right in Manhattan, down in Times Square, because I mean, if you're going to New York, you gotta stay right in the action, right? And I'm going to show you some comparables here too within the app to other sites that we would normally book through. So this is going to, right now, it's showing us the biggest percentage of savings. So you're going to see 56% up here, and that's for the Manhattan Club. Now, we're a bit going on a budget here, so we are gonna book through a hotel that we've already picked out, but I'm just going to show you all of the things here. So even for the Manhattan Club, it's going to show you like it's standing here, so 8.6, that's great. It's going to show you it's a 4-star hotel. Up in here, it's going to show you the member savings. So it's going to show the elite savings, your turbo discount, and your loyalty points. Now, what those things are, I am an Elite Turbo member, so I paid for the full-in membership, which gives me those two discounts. So with the Turbo membership, which you pay a one-time fee for, is less than what it's giving me right now in this, so that $324. So we're going to have in our Elite Savings $29.82 off that, plus our Turbo discount of $324, loyalty points $73. So up at the top here, we've got loyalty points. Loyalty points are dollar for dollar. So that means my membership fee that I pay each month goes right back into my loyalty points. So I get my membership fee back dollar for dollar to spend on travel. So it's a no-brainer to me. Travel credits here. This will be the first purchase. So once we do, it's showing you up here, you're going to earn 2,124 travel credits. So that's wonderful. So this is, would equal out to be about $21 in travel credits just for booking this hotel. So lots of wonderful things, within this membership and this app. I'm going to show you down the side here. We went through the sort by. You can also, keep going on price range, star rating, meals if you want to have them included. If you want to see amenities, if you want different amenities, you can kind of put that all in there. Points of interest. So there's lots of cool things that you can filter out and find what it is, or which hotel it is you want to experience. So I'm going to go in here. The hotel that we've decided on is the Gallivant. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the hotel. I've already explained all of this stuff, so what I'm gonna click right into it and go to select room, and we're gonna click through. So it's gonna show you all the hotel photos as well. So we'll put this up, big screen. It's a nice hotel. It's right in Manhattan. It's a 3-minute walk to Times Square. So cute little hotel. Lots of options for sleeping as well in rooms. It gives you all the details up here so you can look at the room's amenities, policies. This is a 4-star hotel. It's got a 7.6 rating. And then it gives you all the details right here. So how far it is. So Times Square is 0.1 kilometer. So that's why we picked this one. So now we're going to go down. It's going to show today's best deal is for a queen bed, and we are at $967 Canadian. Now, again, this is for 4 nights in Manhattan, so I think, either way, these are great deals. We've got standard room, um, inclusion, bed types, so all the different stuff. So we're gonna go for the king size right here at the 974. It's showing our dates. We've got from the 26th to the 30th. We're gonna go ahead and oh, also you can earn 700. So this is about $7.60, but just for booking, I'm getting money back. And also, as you've seen before, I had all those discounts onto this. So let's go in. All right. Now this is saying you earned your 760 credits. Now it's going to ask for guest information, requests for the hotel. So you can put in, you know, if you want, or if you need certain things done, you can ask for that. You can put in your time of arrival. And we're going to get there about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I am going to put that in just so they know that's when our flight gets in. You can upgrade and make it 100% refundable. You can get health insurance for $3.25. And then down here, we're going to go into payment, and it is showing that I'm using 19 loyalty points. Now, again, those are dollar for dollar, but those are also American. Okay. So if you look up at the top again, up here, I have 724 dollar for dollar points, but that is in American. So that's why it's showing at 26.27 because we are Canadian. All right. So, and it's going to show your new balance, which is great. I've already got my info logged in here. So we're going to go ahead, pick our, how we're going to pay, and we're just going to move right through, finishing up this booking. All right. So this is the, hotel that we have booked. If we head over to the member savings, just so we can see, the elite savings gives you 476. Turbo's giving me $24, and my loyalty points, I can use $31 Canadian. So that's where we're getting the savings off here. So regular, it's about $14.98, and we're going to get this room right here for $9.66. Now I just want to hop on over, and I'm going to show you the difference in pricing. So I pulled up exactly what we're looking for, same dates, same room. If we go to the king size, total is $1,513. Okay, on Expedia. So you're seeing that's over $500 in savings. And if we head over to the Gallivant, shows you all the way up here. Okay, same dates. We're going to scroll back down. This is all of your different choices for beds. So this is the queen. If you come down to the king, this is what we want right here. Okay, so it's showing you $990, but it's plus $400 in taxes, so you're at $1,400 there as well. Now, let's remember, if we go back, we're only paying $966. But if you look up here, we're saving $500 on this one booking, and the $120 that we pay in our membership each month, that goes directly into loyalty points that you're getting back dollar for dollar. You're traveling at a huge discount, and you're basically, in the long run, and going to end up traveling for free because there's, so much in your loyalty points. All right, friends, thanks for joining. I was super happy to show you this amazing platform. Everything's a membership these days. We've got Netflix and Spotify and all the fun things that we pay for, and this is literally going to give you money. The money you're paying into your membership, you're getting back to travel. You're getting that off on your discounts. I just saved $532 today by booking through this platform. So to me, no brainer. If you want to learn more, links in the bio. Check it out. I would love to show you this platform. Reach out, and I'm going to show you how not only you're going to get these discounts, but you can also get paid to run this as a business just by sharing the link. Links in bio.